polishing up of our little application. Might be one more for this external data, then we'll be done. But what I've realized is we haven't set up our edit text, that reference, so let's do that real quick. Otherwise our program's going to crash. So we're going to say save file, standard stuff here. So hopefully we won't get any errors. And what was that called? ET save as, and there we go. We have that set up. Now the other thing we need to do is we have to add a permission to our manifest so we can write to the external data, or write externally. So we're just going to say add uses permission. Over here in the name, we're just going to click down, scroll to the bottom, and there's the choice write external storage. Hit save, and now we can write to the external storage. And another thing we can do is that we want to do is make sure that our actual path exists, because we're going to be basically saving this to the the SD card, and then we're going to get our path, which is either going to be kind of a directory for downloads, pictures, music. And if that path doesn't exist, we want to create it so we can actually save some stuff within that folder. So how we do that is we just say path.mkdirs, and that'll basically create a directory path for us if it doesn't exist. If it already does exist, it's not going to do anything. So it's a pretty simple way to create a folder wherever we want our path to lead. And let's also add a toast within our try here. So what we're going to do, we've done toast before, but just to make our application a little bit better, we're going to say toast dot make text context, our class name, which is called external data dot this text file has been saved, and duration toast dot long length, or length long, I don't know, dyslexia or something. I'm dyslexic. And then we're just gonna hit t dot show. So now we'll display a toast after we opened and closed our input and output streams. Now let's check it for the most part, and then I'm gonna show you guys our application, but apologize if the quality is poor. You guys might not be able to see the actual phone or what I'm doing, but I'll try and talk through everything that I'm doing so you'll understand it. I'll catch you guys then. Peace. Alright, so just ran the application on my phone here, and first thing I want to show you guys is when we go to external data right here, both of our triggers are set to false. We can't read or write, and that's because we have the SD or this cable plugged in, USB. So we're just going to unplug that bad boy and hit back, let it kind of readjust, be like, yeah, they unplugged that thing, we're good. Hit external data, we got true and true. Now let's try and save to our music folder. We're going to say Travis music test, something like that. I did a previous video, so a few of these directories already exist, and you just want to make sure your spinner item is, you want to select even the music, because I don't think we set up our path at the beginning, so it's only going to be setting up the path once we hit one of our spinner items. Now we're going to hit confirm and save. We got the toast down there that says file has been saved, and let's also try and save to our pictures. Hit save, yeah, that's working as well, and our downloads. So we're going to hit save for downloads as well, all with the file name Travis Music Test. You can change that as well, but just to save some time here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go into our files. Too many applications here, too many games at play, and in our files here, we're in the SD card. I don't know if you guys saw that. You gotta hit the SD card because that's where we're saving to again. Okay, so we're going to scroll, and I just clipped the video because I just realized something. We're going to scroll down, and it is right there. You can see it, but it's not going to open it because we didn't add an extension, so it doesn't really know what type it is. So in order for this activity to work, you guys want to actually add the extension, such as PNG test2, and it'll open up our actual thing. But if we just leave it as is, it'll say unable to open this type. So that's a good thing to note. We could probably add to our file that we created just plus PNG after that, if you guys want. And then let's check our other folders real quick. Our music folder got Travis Music Test right there. Again, we need to add the extension, and it's in our pictures directory as well. So just open it up, test it. Yeah, Travis Music Test as well. So there we go, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.